1, 2, 3. Water, you should drink it. It helps you stay alive. Eating food makes you feel good and helps you to survive. You have to breathe oxygen. There's something else you need. Take shelter from nasty weather, and each night you need to sleep. These are the 5 things you need to stay alive. If you plan to survive, you will need this fantastic 5. Water keeps you cool, it's better than soft drink. If you eat healthy food, it's easier to think. Smoke's bad for your lungs, breathing it's not fun. Always wear sensible clothing.